Hello, this is Matt Console here, and today, just you can see there's a bag right here, but I didn't get something from Subway. Just kidding. I actually got some trains here for at the train show over at the Salem Complex Center in Salem, Ohio, though. So managed to get some good stuff here. So we'll start off with these first, though. There we go. Here is a Sunnyville lighted passenger station for Bachmann. It's pretty nice. Here's the item number here. It says 46-16 and 46-17. From Bachmann, China, though. The other one, the freight station I bought from the Underground Railroad, is a kind of a different number, but I'll put it in the description because I can't remember it right now. Which is pretty cool. I like this one. Very cool. Here, since I don't use regular track though, I used to a long time ago, but I use now Easy Track and Power Lock Track. Here's a part here that I'm not gonna ever use though. Just pretty cool. Might have to take this plastic insert and put it with my current railroad crossings I have though, since the current one for this plastic insert, when I was trying to run my pancake motors on it, it did not work on them. So I might have to get this a test on the next vid and see how it does. So pretty cool. And here's something pretty cool. It's a Northeast caboose here from, I don't know what the brand right now though. If you could tell right there. I don't know what that is. I don't know what kind of brand is that, but and somebody has a somebody looks like it has a somebody custom made this light here, so it might be lighted, but I'm not sure. We'll have to find that out pretty soon. Very cool. And Conquer HO Conrail MP15 with quad dual motor flywheel drive. Cool. It's pretty cool. And here's something pretty cool here. And after in the blue box says SD40T-2 in DNRGW paint. Let's see what this is. Alright, let's open this up. And here, I'm just gonna move it over, guys. Sorry about that, folks. Here's the actual engine here. Pretty cool here. It's a kit here, but maybe someday I might have to make this someday. Maybe build this into something. But it looks pretty nice. My first Rio Grande SD40T-2 powered locomotive. I do have a few Rio Grandes though, but I don't actually have this one, no. On my HO layout, so cool. So, yeah. There we go, very good. And that's all for that, though. And not only that, I got a couple KD couplers here. 38 magnetic couplers from KD. Pretty cool. Guy gave me this for, the original price was $4, and the guy gave me this for $3, though. So, pretty cool. Alright. And two of these stuff I didn't get at the train show, though. I got it at the Wizard of Oz It's like an antique store or something like that. Probably in Salem or something. I can't remember the location right now. Probably in Jackson Milton. In Jackson Township, I would say. Here's some 3-pack of freight cars with a refrigerator car, hopper, and a gondola. $15 for 3-pack of train freight cars. Pretty cool. Last but not least, a diesel horn in the oil storage tank. It does not have a an oil tank in there with a diesel horn. It's just an empty box. The one I bought at the Canfield train show did not have a box, so I decided to buy this one for it. So guess what? I think it has a box though, but I'm not sure it's the right one though. It says 46208 here. Mine might be the older one though, since it's Hong Kong. Might be Hong Kong, but I'm not sure. Let's go to the other side. It actually is Hong Kong. Bachmann Industries, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Import parts made in China, printed in Hong Kong. Neat. Glad I got a box for this though, so pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoy this vid. Take care, guys. Have a good one.